the monetize your knowledge industry, or let's say the e-learning industry, is in its billions, like the biggest it has ever been in years. And I'm sure this is not the first time you'll be hearing about monetizing your knowledge, creating an online course, an ebook, a webinar, and things like that. Thanks to COVID, we are all now thinking of how to, become information broker or broker. Yes, where you are all broking your knowledge, right? So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the basics, online course creation for beginners. All right, this is the first part of many series, and today I would cover the key things you need to know before you start your online course creation process. Okay, beyond just the creation, the tech part of it, how about the selling part of it? How about the making money part of it? How about you understanding the structure of it? That's the point of today's video. Okay, are you ready to learn? If you are, come with me, let's do this. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Your home as a thought leader who wants to become a highly paid coach, who wants to monetize their knowledge with digital products, who wants to learn about personal branding, and of course, sales funnel. Okay, this is your home as a speaker, trainer, coach, consultant, and all of that. Okay, yes, my name is Temi Ajibewa, Africa's most influential personal branding expert and business coach for coaches. Today's video, I'm taking you through the online course basics, okay? There are a couple of things I will share with you, and there's a whole lot of bundle, right, in this part. And you will see the videos, all the linking videos below this video in the description box, okay? So, first things first, what is an online course? Just in case you don't know what it is. An online course is it's a bundle of videos, templates, worksheets that you record and have it hosted in an online academy or an online platform where you have taught people some things. You have shared your knowledge or your expertise in a particular area, and then you have recorded videos. You have created worksheets to help people where they can consume at their own time. So an online course has this feature of being evergreen, where people can access it at their time online. Most times they have to log in to access this. If you have put it, inside an online academy or an online platform where they will need access to it. So it's you teaching your knowledge. It's you sharing your knowledge, your expertise, your skills, something you know. And then you pour it out there, you teach. So you as the teacher, as the trainer, okay, you pass on the knowledge, the information that people need, and then they are able to consume at their own time. So it's a blend of videos, sometimes pictures, and sometimes texts, PDF documents, and links for more resources, worksheets, right, templates, and so on and so forth. It's just a blend of it all. But the critical thing here is that you are teaching. You are working on reducing people's ignorance by informing them, teaching them something that they can take action on and get results. Okay, it's you selling your brain. The way somebody I admire a lot calls it, Ronald. He said, sell your brain, right? So that's actually you teaching something, a piece of your brain or your knowledge, okay? That's an online course in a nutshell, okay? Now let's move on to the types of online courses. Online courses types vary, okay? But the beautiful thing here is that you are serving people online. You're teaching them online. You're sharing with them what they need to know, and they can be in anywhere in the world to access this content. So we have what we call, so according to an amazing thought leader in the online course space, Amy Porterfield, she has these 5 categories that she has put online courses. She said there's a workshop course, right? Workshop course style is where people come in live, an online session, and you train them, they come, they learn, and they go. Usually this is more than a webinar, okay? It's like they come to class, they come to learn over and over again, right? The process is actually like you're delivering the course, like a teaching class, but now it's happening online and it's happening live. That's a workshop style. It could be a full day, it could be several days, but it's workshop. They come in, they have worksheets, workbooks to use and things like that. Then we have starter course. Starter course, according to her, is like a mini course. Maybe a video or 2 will be in the course, and it's teaching something very succinct, something very specific, something that is just, outright. You just come, learn that one skill and move on. That's a starter course. Then we have a spotlight course that is teaching one particular problem. For example, I have a spotlight course on how Africans, or Nigerians in particular, can earn in dollars while in Nigeria. So you are in Nigeria, but you can earn in dollars here. What do you have to do? Now, that's a spotlight course. It's a full, robust course. It has several videos. There's a support group on WhatsApp. It's a boot camp, a 1-month boot camp, but it's a spotlight course. It is teaching specifically how Nigerians can earn in dollars. Like, they will go to the bank and withdraw their dollars, right? Because they've been able to earn the money in dollars. Even while selling to Nigerians, they can also, make money in dollars, right? So that's a spotlight course. It is solving a specific problem. For example, if you buy a YouTube course, for example, and it's teaching you all the whole shebang bang about, YouTube, that is something, or maybe a specific part of YouTube, that is a spotlight course. I have a spotlight course. It's called the Highly Paid Coach Bundle. Now, in that bundle, I focus on closing, right? How do you close high ticket clients? Okay. Then we have a signature course. Yes. One of my signature courses is the Business of Your Brand program. This is a 3-month coaching where I teach coaches how to start, launch, and scale their coaching businesses. It's an online course itself, but it has 7 modules and it has 3 months support, weekly coaching sessions, worksheets, templates, scripts, and so on. It is a signature course. Okay, it's a rounded. When people are done with the course, they literally have nothing else to learn. Arguably, right? Nothing to learn again elsewhere apart from this. So this kind of course, you launch it maybe once or twice in a year, right? Someone like S2 McLaren has this signature course he launches just once in a year. I think the tribe, something on how to use memberships, right? How to monetize your knowledge and your skill with memberships, right? So community-based and things like that, right? Then we have certification courses where when you take the course, you get certification that, yes, now you know so much about this, you can now help others with the same tools that you have gotten. All right? That is types of online courses that you would find easily. Then we have, why should you create an online course? Trust me, online course is the way to go these days. That way you can earn money in your sleep, literally. Because people are consuming your content, they are buying your courses, and you're able to impact lots of people, right? So with the whole impact thing, you do it best with online courses. Yes. Unless you are coaching, of course. But if you add support or coaching to your online course, oh my goodness, your students will love you. And then finally, how can you make money from an online course? You make money by selling your online course. Yes. So you set up a sales funnel for your online course. There's a video right here where I broke down the whole process of of sales funnel. You will learn a lot from there. And in the next video you will see in the series, I talk to you about money-making mindsets for online course creators, because yes, you may have the whole thing figured out, but if your mindset is not together, if it's not coordinated, if it's not in the right place, you will mess up big time. Okay, so I hope that this video has been valuable to you. Let me know in the comment. There's a link in the description as well where you can book a call with me to run through your business, your brand, your digital products, brand, and I can help you to sift out some things and see how you can make more money. Also, I have a free masterclass on how to create and sell digital products, right? And it's gonna blow your mind. You should watch it. The link will also be below. Till I see you in my next video. Bye for now.